how to find your target audience for your Facebook ads. What's going on, guys? I hope you're doing well. And in today's video, I'm gonna reveal to you one of the methods that I use when it comes to targeting like my ideal customer. This is really important when it comes to doing Facebook ads, because you don't want to be running ads to a bunch of people that doesn't care about what you have to sell. You're gonna be wasting your money if you do that. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can start doing this the right way. So without further ado, let's dive into today's video. Let's go to my computer.
Okay, let's start, guys. So let's say that we have an e-commerce store and we are in the parenting niche, and we're gonna sell a postpartum belt, like for women that just given birth and they just want to bring their belly, their stomach to their normal size. So before diving into this, the first thing that you should have done is doing your avatar research, your ideal customer, how they look, what they like, what they don't like, the age, the gender, what are the pain points, what are they struggling with, what are their goals. This is the first step you need to take. Once you understand this, once you have done your avatar research, and actually this is something I'm gonna create later on so you can have an idea on how to do this type of research. But before doing this, you should have created your ideal customer avatar. Now, the first thing here is the age. So in this case, the women that are gonna be more likely to buy this type of product are between 25 to 34 years old. And also we have the gender. Of course, they're gonna be female. And the country is can be United States or other top tier countries like New Zealand, Canada, United Kingdom, or you can also go worldwide. But if you're getting started, you can just start with United States. Make it really simple. Don't get confused. Once you know what's work, you can start going to other markets. Now, after that, we're gonna have the interest, demographics, and behaviors. When you go to Facebook ads in the platform, you need to look for these three targeting options. Interest. So let's brainstorm a little bit. So if we're going to sell this postpartum belt to women, they're gonna be interested in this type of things. Like maternity clothing. Maybe they're gonna be looking for maternity clothing. There's gonna be a good interest to target. Breastfeeding, they want to learn everything about breastfeeding and breast pump, all these type of things that a new mom will be interested in. Now, demographics. We have married. Probably there is a couple that is married and engaged. Maybe they're engaged, or they're new parents. Okay, demographics. These are really high targeted things that most people they don't focus. They just go straight with interest, but demographics is really helpful. Also behaviors. We have engaged shoppers. Now, something that you can do here is that target maybe a broad interest like 5 million, 1 million people, and you can mix this with a behavior, because if you only target behaviors, let's say that you want to target engaged shoppers, most of those people, most of those women, they won't be interested in maternity because maybe they don't have a kid. So you can do a good mix between a broad interest like maybe maternity clothing and a behavior like engaged shoppers. This is a good mix that you can go for, so you can target specifically women that are interested in maternity clothing and that are engaged shoppers. This is a good mix. So this is a good idea that you can have when it comes to targets on Facebook, and this applies to any other type of business. Let's say that you're into fitness, the same thing. Find interest, demographic, behaviors related to that niche. If you are into consultant, you're a dentist, you're a lawyer, all these different things, you can apply the same strategy here. Okay, there's always interest, demographics, and behavior for any type of niche that you are. Okay, so another idea, another option that I can give you is other options to target are blogs and websites. And this type of resources that, let's say, that these women can go to learn more about how to be a good parent on how to raise a newborn kid. You can also search for Facebook groups, celebrities, public figures. Magazines are super useful. You can target top magazines related into parenting niche. YouTube channels. Search for your competitors, competitors research, maybe for brands, big brands that sell like baby stuff, or maybe another competitor that is big. You can target, if they are available in the Facebook targeting option, you can target those competitors. Also the communities, parents, they support each other, and when you find the communities, you can learn more about your targeting, your ideal customer, why they like, what they don't like. These things can give you more ideas on how to target this type of people. In general, if I tell you to go and search for Facebook groups, YouTube channels, community, it's for you to get to know your audience even more, because you're gonna find conversations, comments, and this way you're gonna understand how these people behave, react, what they're looking for, what are their pains. This way you won't only have new interests, because you will find conversations, maybe one parent recommend a product to another, and you can go and start targeting the brand of that product if it is available in the Facebook targeting options. But besides that, you want to have a better idea on how to create your ad. What's gonna be your approach for this type of people, and this way you want to create high converting ads. So this is what you need to do when it comes to target your ideal audience in Facebook.
So basically, that's it, guys. That's a process that you can start applying and start finding your ideal customer for your Facebook ads. So let's say that you find a magazine and that has an audience of 1,000 people. You find another one that has 50,000 people, 100,000 people. You can go and start targeting this interest because it is a small audience. So what you can do is to bundle all the magazines that you can find, put them together, and try to create a big audience, like at least 1 million people. I recommend you to go with big audiences. Facebook reacts better when you have a big audience. So if this is your case, just bundle, for instance, websites. Bundle all the different websites in one single ad set. If you find magazines, bundle all those magazines in one single ad set. That way you're gonna start building a big audience and you can start running your ads to those people. Now, take in mind that Facebook ad is about testing. You need to start testing these interests, demographics, behaviors, until you find the perfect combination. I can't stress this enough, because most people, they just want to focus on a few interests, but maybe if you keep doing your research, you might find another interest that is gonna bring you more revenue. Maybe you're making like 10 sales a day. Maybe you test another interest, you can have like 20 sales a day. You won't never know this until you test these type of things, So basically that's it for this video, guys. I hope that you have found it valuable. If you need help with this, you can go to jordanvelazquez.com/call. Have a conversation with us. Let's see what you're struggling with. Let's see what is your goal. And based on that, we're gonna know if we're going to be a good fit to work together. And if we're a good fit to work together, awesome, we can start making more sales for your business. So that's it for this one, guys. See you in the next video.